welcome. Today we are continuing with Agriculture Paper 2. Kindly subscribe. Section C, 40 marks. Answer only 2 questions in this section in the spaces provided after the questions. Describe 5 advantages of battery cage system in poultry rearing. Eggs produced remains clean. Broodiness is discouraged. Mummy birds are kept per unit area of land. Feed and water are not contaminated. Vices such as cannibalism and egg eating are reduced. Individual egg laying records are kept. More eggs are produced per bird. The system requires low labor since it can be mechanized. Easy to clean and disinfect the poultry house. Easy to handle the birds during routine management practices. Less spread of parasites and diseases from one bird to other. Sick birds are easily identified and treated. Question 23b. Outline the procedure of training a calf for bucket feeding. Put milk in a clean bucket. Push the calf backward to the corner of the pen. Wash the hands with clean water with a disinfectant. Hold the bucket with the left hand and dip the index finger of the right hand into the milk and slowly guide the calf to suck it. Ensure the calf's head is slightly raised during the first few minutes. Encourage the calf to drink slowly from the bucket. Question 23c. Outline signs of tapeworm infestation in livestock. Anemic condition, swelling on the other side of the jaw, segments of the parasites are seen in the feces, pobellied in young ones, excessive appetite in the secondary host. Question 24a. Give the functional differences between a disc plow and a moldboard plow. Disc plow can be used in a field with obstacles. Moldboard plow cannot be used in a field with obstacles. Disc plow plows at varying depth. Moldboard plow plows at a uniform depth. Disc plow leaves a rough field. Moldboard plow leaves a clean field. Disc plow, more secondary operations required. In mold plow, fewer secondary operations required. Disc plow requires less power to pull, while mold plow requires more power to pull. Disc plow is not easily broken by obstacles, while moldboard plow is easily broken by obstacles. A disc plow works well in the sticky oils, while moldboard plow does not work well in sticky soils. Disc plow does not require constant replacement of parts, while moldboard plow requires constant replacement of parts, especially the share. Question 24b. Explain 4 factors considered when siting farm structures. The location of the homestead should be located in an area where it is possible to view. Accessibility should be easy to reach each part of the farm. Security should be safe from predators, thieves and trespassers. Drainage, the area should be well drained to prevent the structure from being destroyed by water. Relationship between the structures, related structures should be constructed close to each other. Farmers' taste and preferences. Some farmers may prefer a sheltered area, others not. Proximity of amenities should be close to electricity and road. Topography of the land. Some structures require level site, others slopy site. Question 24c. Outline 4 ways in which infectious diseases can spread in livestock production. Contaminated feed and water, insect vectors and contaminated equipment, contact with affected animals, open wounds, inhalation, pathogens. Question 25. Describe food rot under the following subheadings. Animals affected. So the animals which are affected are cattle, sheep and goats. Causal organism. Bacteria. Symptoms of attack. We have foot becomes swollen. Lameness is observed. Presence of pus and rotten smell on foot around the hooves. Emaciation. Animal lies down when headquarters are affected. Control measures. The control measures are avoid damp and muddy conditions, carry out regular foot examination and hoof trimming. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.